Almost everybody loves a pina colada, or let's just say I do. I love pineapple and I love coconut. So every time I go out, this is one of the few drinks that I'll always order. Most of it, of course, the virgin kind, and I'm sharing the recipe with you. This is absolutely refreshing. Believe me, it is very simple to make. So I have here a whole pineapple that I cut up and froze, so they are in chunks. I like to use pineapple chunks in my pina coladas because I love to have them frozen. If you like a liquidy type, you could just use your fresh pineapple. I've poured 6 ounces of pineapple juice into my blender, added 3 ounces of coconut cream, and now I'm adding my frozen pineapple in here. Alright family, this is going to be the virgin one first, so there won't be any rum in here. In place of rum, I like to put 1 lemon juice in here. This, what I'm making, is to serve 2 people, so I cut up a whole lime and squeeze the juice of both in here so that you're not just tasting the sweetness of the ingredients. The pineapple juice is sweet, the pineapples are very ripe and so sweet. The coconut cream in here is also very sweet, so I just want a little bit of balance in here. Blend, then pour into your glass. Well, didn't I say that is easy? Very, very, very easy, right? And everybody in your household can drink it because this has no alcohol. Very, very refreshing, very healthy as well. You're eating your fruit, okay? You're drinking it, I should say. And my kids actually love this, which is very surprising. Delicious, yeah, delicious, delicious, yeah, delicious, delicious. And for that tropical vibe, we are using some bamboo straws. Yes, yes, yes. And I'm going to garnish with some pineapple, some cocktail umbrellas, and cherries on top to tie everything together. Now, how gorgeous is this? Delicious, yeah, delicious. Have you been go? Tasty. This is so refreshing. I really hope you're able to try this. I know you will love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to be making our pina colada with rum. I'm going to cut the crown of this pineapple, which I already did a terrible job at, okay? But we are just going to try and fix it. I am terrible at doing anything straight. Drawing lines, cutting stuff, but we still get the job done. Okay, I think I've remedied the situation for the most part. Now I'm going to be using my pineapple cola to get the pineapple fruit from the skin. I'm going to be using the skin as my cup for this. Yes, we're going very fancy, very, very tropical. So sometimes using this cola, if I'm not too scared and I go all the way down and hit the bottom, I'm able to come up with the core and everything. The cola can actually take the core of your pineapple. Sometimes, like today, I wasn't too sure, so I ended up having the core still intact, just like this, but I'm going to cut it off. The most important thing is we have our pineapple fruit out here, and that I'm going to just bring down, cut up, and use for a pina colada. I'm going to start off by pouring my pineapple juice into my blender. I like to buy these little 6-ounce containers. They're very convenient. So one of it is all that I need in here. Now I'll add my cream of coconut, which is sweetened. This is different from coconut cream. That is the very creamy, thick one that we normally use to cook. Coconut cream is normally lighter and mostly sweetened for this purpose. So I'm going to show you the can. This is what I would typically buy. And please do well to shake before you open the can so that it is perfectly mixed up. I'm going to add in my rum and my pineapple chunks. And now I'm going to add some ice. This is 2 cups of ice in here. Cover and blend. Since the core of my pineapple didn't come out this time when I removed the pineapple, I'm going to use my knife here to just shave it off. I can't necessarily cut everything off, but I'm just trimming it so it's not sticking out in my drink. I'm going to pour my pina colada here into my pineapple cup that I made, and the rest I'm just going to serve in a tulip glass like a classic pina colada would be served. This of course is a lighter consistency, so if you don't like a pina colada to be frozen, go ahead and use your fresh fruit and some ice to achieve this. This is just as good. I like it either way, but of course this has a little bit of some kick to it because it has the rum. And that is it. Giving it a little bit of some vibe here with my cocktail umbrellas, and that is it. Absolutely refreshing. This is so good. I hope you give it a try. I know you will love it. Kindly give me a thumbs up for this and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.